Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind. Hey guys, so before I get into this video, I would like to say happy autism month to my son Kimani, who I love so much. Like, I'm so proud of him. He's my everything. And I'm asking you guys if you could kindly drop some blue hearts in the comments, because that's the color that represents autism, and I would really appreciate it. So thank y'all so much. Now let's just get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I got my TEMU order finally. I ordered this like March 19th and it just came today. Today's Monday, April 3rd. That's 2 weeks, right? March 19th, it's 2 weeks. I ordered 60 items. It's my first time ordering from them, so I just want to see what they got, because I've been watching videos like crazy. I'm not trying to put this dirty ass package on my bed. Just in my sheets. First item is, I think it's a phone case. It feels like a phone case. Oh no, pair of glasses. Listen, every time I buy something from, I am so clumsy. My glasses that I be buying from Shein, my favorite black glasses, they keep breaking, y'all. Alright, but this one, I like these. Oh, let me show you how they look. Yeah. I'm trying some different pair of shades. I'm put it on right now. See how they look on my face. This is the perfect time to wear this outside. It's hot. The sun is out. Oh, I love these. These look cute. Next, I got a comb. I have a green one like this. See? Alright, and I got these. I would set a comb. So 1, 2, 3. I paid 89 cents. I like this. I see. I was okay. So I was shopping on, because I got so much shit in my cart on Shein. So I was going back and forth. You know, we're trying to find something. You're trying to see which one has it cheaper. That's me. I be doing that. I don't care. Oh, this one is like a edge brush. So I think it's the edge brush. And they got the comb. That's nice. I like that. Okay. You can't beat that price. Now, when I was throwing all the stuff, I peeped this. And I'm like, are you serious? This is how it looks? I don't like that. This is, what do you call that? Where you post something and that you don't look. What? This shit is small as hell. What am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? I just kept the one that I have. This is how my jewelry box is right now. My earring. Somebody gave it to me when they went to Jamaica. Alright, this is for toothpicks. Because I have toothpicks in the box. You know, buy from the store. I paid 48 cents for this. One piece fashion toothpick box. It's sold out right now. Oh, it's cute. Why are they going to give me a blue one? Pink is not my... So, you put in the toothpicks. I'm going to see if I can put it in right now. The toothpicks. I'm going to take them out and put them in there and see. What the hell? Okay, I don't know. This is how it look when I put it in there. Let's cover it up and see. So it's supposed to pop up in this thing right here. Oh, I was pressing it too hard. I think I was pressing it too hard. You just came up just now. I'll figure it out. Got some nails. It's cute. Why do it look so small? I don't think it can fit my big hand. My big finger is so big. And these are just some disposable gloves. You know, when you're cleaning, like, you know, the bathroom or cleaning wherever. You guys, I use gloves when I clean the bathroom. So I don't know about y'all. I have to have gloves on my hand. This thing is so small. Bro, why is it so small? Alright, this is the solid nail glue tail. This is the adhesive, am I pronouncing it right? A gel, like when you do your nails. So, because I have some nails here that I want to put on. So look how small this container is though. Like, so this, because I'm not really good at makeup. So when I want to do the wing, I just put it under my eye and just, because I have the wing pencil, I just don't know how to do it by myself. So we put it under here and you just, let me take one out. Let me show you how they look. So, oh, here it is. The top liner. This is the top liner. This is the bottom liner. See? This one. Yeah, so I need to, you know, start doing the wing, because I like the wing. The wing look cute. I just don't know how to do it myself. I saw this, I was like, oh, I need those. This is how it look on the thing. Alright, this one now is the eyebrow thing for your eyebrow. They have the regular one that you buy at the beauty supply store. I never saw these in the beauty supply store, so I got these instead of the other ones that I normally use. And these are 3-piece tree. I'm so Jamaican. 3-piece portable eyebrow trimmer. So next, what's this? Oh, this I thought this was so cute. You know, when you go out, I normally walk with sanitizer, but I see this is really good to have in your purse when you go out, because this is a 20-piece portable disposable soap paper. Let me see, I'm gonna open it. This, oh, it smells so good. This is lemon. No, this is not lemon. This is, I normally, because I love lemon soap scents. Normally I was gonna choose the lemon one, and I was reading the reviews and they were like, oh, the white one is called jasmine aroma. They have different scents. It smells so freaking good. Oh man, I'm definitely gonna put this in my purse. Well, that's what I bought it for, you know. Oh, I like this. Why she don't got this? Look how it is, y'all. This is so nice. I like that. Don't forget to like the video. Alright, so I'm gonna put that in my purse. What's this? Some zippers. These are different. I never seen no type of zippers like this before. So I'm like, oh. So, can you open? Say you open it. Oh, you press it here. I think these are toe rings. So this is how they look. Put it on my hand so y'all can see it. That's how they look. Alright, this is the headband. Like, you know, when you're washing your face. Yeah, this is a makeup headband. Cute hair headband for washing face, spa, skincare. This was 53 cents. So this is how it is. With a bow in the front. You know how you do it. This is a bonnet. I'm like, what is this? I got so many bonnets, but you know you can never have enough bonnets, right? Because sometimes you can't find them. Sometimes some of them is dirty. So it's like, and it's blue. My favorite color. Blue. This is some wig caps. This is 4-piece. So why are you saying 2-piece on the bag? Don't play with me. Wait a minute. Okay, so it's 2 in each thing. 1, 2, 1, 2. I was just checking because this is a nail polish. I got this color. Oh, this is nice. I like the bottle. The bottle is cute. Let me see how if it's rich. Oh, this is a color. I think I bought a few of these. 2 or 3 of them I bought. I don't remember. Alright, we're gonna go to this thing right here. This is for like the I think this is the one to put your eyelash on. I don't really wear eyelash, but I did buy some eyelashes because I'm trying to change up my look, you know. Just like the thing that I bought for the thing. I'm trying to, you know, learn how to put these things on. So yeah, so this is how it looks. It's like a clip, so you just press it and it opens up. Put the eyelash in there and you just put it on your eye. Yeah, I like it. These are buttons for jeans. Oh, it's rubber. Oh yeah, okay. These are player glass straws. I think it's 4 of them inside, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, oh, it comes with a brush. Oh, nice, I like that. Oh, so this is how it looks. It's 4 straws and it comes with a brush. You see? Yeah. Oh, so it's 2 slanted and 2 straight. Like, that's how the straws is. See? 2 of that and 2 of this. Okay. We're gonna go for a bag. This bag was so cute. I saw it. I'm like, oh, I have to get this. I have a bag, but it's not brown. It's like, it was kind of you know, Michael Kors, but that one, I've been had that. I had that for a while. But this one, oh, look at this. Just look at it. Oh. I'm gonna connect this stuff. Okay. So, oh, the straps is short. I thought it was long. Oh, I could adjust it. It's still kind of short. It's very short. I thought it was like a cross-body bag. I like wearing my bags like this, but the strap is not long enough. It's so cute though. Let me see. It doesn't have an inside pocket. It does not. See? I wish it did though, because I don't like. It's cool. I bought 2 of these. Yeah, I bought the black one too. The black one right here. I got like 2 or 3 black bags over there, but I just needed something new, and this is affordable. Like, I can't pass this up. $4.58, and like, it's a nice black bag. I like how it's designed. Same thing. Got a strap. Cover the strap. Gotta hook it to the side. Just gotta hook it right here. You know, fancy. I like it. And this right here is a perfume bottle. Like, you know, you put your perfume in there, take it out. See, it's all right. So take it out, you pour some perfume in there, or pour whatever in there. I think you pour anything in there, but I bought it personally for like perfume because I don't want to bring my body spray or anything. I just want to pour some in there and just, you know, put it in my bag. This is mascara shield. Oh, this is to put on your mascara. So I don't want to throw this away. I'm gonna put the bag right here. I'm gonna put it back. This is how it looks. I think you put it right here. No, this way. I think it's this way. Is it this way? I think so. And you put the mascara on. This was 44 cents. 1 piece, 3 in mascara shield applicator. So 10 piece adhesive heel pad for heel protection. Okay, this is the phone case. It's so cute. I'm like, oh yes. So you know, I got my color. Oh, it's plastic. It's so cute. So let's see. It's been a while I had this phone case, so let's see. Yeah, this is gonna be the case for this month. I'm gonna put like a Metro card or your ID in here. Let me show you. Let's see how it looks. Oh, see? Put a Metro card. Like that. cute. I bought this because it reminds me of The Pursuit of Happiness, the movie with Will Smith and his son. So, and I want to see if I could do it, if I could get the colors right. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see. Oh, it's very easy. That was quick. But yeah, so why is it taking them so long to do it on the movie? Is it because it's a movie? I don't know, whatever. Yeah, that's a keychain. I'm gonna put it on my keys. All right, what's next? Oh, this, I found that this was so cute. This is to put on your wine, the top of your wine, and pour it. I like that. It's so nice. I'm gonna use it one of these days in my vlogs and show y'all. But this was 69 cents. And I see it on Shein too. I forgot how much Shein had it for. Ah, it's so cute. That's how it is. It's so fancy. Women high waist sports shorts. I paid $3.98 for this. Oh, it's my size. This is how it looks. It's very stretchable. Oh, this will definitely fit me. It's like I'm a thick person, but my thighs is thick. So this is a medium. Next one we go with this. I always wanted this professional Brazilian wax. Oh, so wait. I'm gonna cover the top part. I just want to cover it because I don't want to leave it out like that. All right, so this is a strawberry flavored waxed. I thought it came with stuff. It don't come with the wax papers. Am I bugging? I gotta buy the wax papers separate. I swear it came with the wax papers. Hold on, man. Where's the strips at? I don't see the strips. I gotta see how to work this thing. They have different flavors. I was gonna get a honey or the aloe vera, but I have aloe vera gel, so I decided to get a flavored one. Cause you know when you shave and wax, you gotta put some aloe vera on your body. You need a warmer. Oh my god. Oh, okay, I gotta figure this out. This is to scrub the back of your feet. You know. Oh, this is for the sink. We put around the sink. So when the water runs down, it drains into the sink. This is it. Yeah, for the kitchen, obviously. Or the bathroom. I'm trying to figure out what this is now. Oh, this is for the toothpicks. Alright. Yeah, I like this one. Oh, it's so cute. Put the Q-tips in there. Yeah, because I always have my Q-tips in the box still. And I'm like, let me get something for this thing. I have to put them in there. I don't have much in here anyway. So, because I use my cotton swabs daily. Every time I go in that shower, come out, clean your ears out. Or even when you don't go in the shower. I just be cleaning my ears out. I clean my ears out. So I can hear clearly, okay? It's so better to just have it in here. You see how cute it looks? Look at that. This is so nice. I like this. Yeah. Yeah, 58 cents. Go get it. But this, I bought this to pierce my nose. This is a air piercing gun. 3-piece set. Oh, it comes with 2 earrings. It comes with 2 earrings in there. It's very small. Yeah, so they actually have a video on the site of how to use it. So yeah, when I'm ready, I'll do that. But now, I'm gonna stick in this bag. Right, this one now is tongue scraper. I have one already. I bought at Dollar Tree, but like I said, these are cheaper than Dollar Tree. So if I could get it, some stuff, if I could get it off here, I'll get it from here. Yeah, so this is how it looks, you know, tongue scraper. You need this. This I definitely need. When I've been buying stuff, I don't like to leave it open. Mini sealing machine. So I paid $148 for this. How does this work? This is so cute. Okay. I'm about to see if it works right now. Oh, you need batteries. Okay. Of course you need batteries. And this part is not going back. It's supposed to go back. Oh, I'm trying to break it. Okay, so you open this, pull it back. You open this part, and you put the batteries inside. I feel like I want to try this right now. So I'm gonna use this battery. What battery do you use? Always not the big battery. Oh yeah, I don't have those batteries. It's AA, and I have the triple A's. Alright, these I definitely need this. These are the eyebrow shaping thing. Let me stick out one and show y'all. Yeah. Damn, that's how much it came with. I didn't know it came out with so much. But, you know, put it up here. And oh my god, I can't wait to use this. Because you know how long I'll be trying to do my eyebrows by myself. I'll be trying to do my eyebrows for myself for the longest and I just can't get it. So this will come in very handy. I like this. 8. And there's something else at the bottom. What is this? Oh, I cannot wait to use this pens. Okay, so this. Okay, now I'm like, what is this thing? So this, you hook it. You see the two parts right here? You hook it inside. Wait, let me see something. Put it onto it. It's like a holder. You gotta hold it. So yeah, I don't know if it's the right way. I'm gonna figure it out. So it's, I think 8 pieces is inside. So I got a pair of earrings. I always need these hoops. I always buy the hoops. You know, it's a pair of hoops. I just needed. I ate a banana last night before I went to bed, and yeah, that's my outcome from eating that banana. All right, what's this? Oh, cappuccino stirrer. It says egg beater. I guess you would use it for egg and cappuccino. I bought it for like when I'm making iced coffee or whatever, because I don't drink regular coffee. So yeah, I got the blue one because you know. How you open this? How you work this? It's looking like it needs battery. I think it does work with battery. Yep, it does. Why you open this thing? Okay, and like you just slide it. Just slide it like that. Yeah, comes off very easily. Works with batteries. So yeah. These are mini ass scissors. Doesn't it look big in the picture? Or is it just me? I don't understand why it looks so freaking. Look at the freaking scissors. Okay, we pull it out. It's a mini scissors. Let's see if I know how to close it back. Oh, okay. Fancy. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to open it. Open it. And it goes. Okay, you gotta pull it all the way out. But look at this. It's like a keychain size. Alright, it's another pair of shades. Yeah, I needed these kind of shades. Oh! Let's see how these glasses is. Hold on, I'm not ready to look at y'all yet. Hold on. I don't know. Well, I felt like I was gonna be looking bomb, but I mean, them alright. I feel like I like the black one better. I'm still gonna wear it because I bought it. This one is not really giving. Or is it me? I don't know. At least I got a pair of shades, girl. Oh, it's supposed to come with the cloth, as always. Come with the cloth. I like that. So how come the other one didn't come in a case? They just throw it in the bag like that. I don't like that. Why did they just send this one like this and this one like I don't get it. I need a case. Yeah, they got different colors, so this is how all of them look. Alright, this I bought this because I want my belly button pierced, but my stomach not ready yet. I'm working on it still. But I just bought it just in case because it's cheap. And one of my friends is gonna do it for me. It comes with gloves. It comes with a belly ring. It comes with this the scissor thing, and yeah, they show you how to do it. So come with the needles and stuff. Oh, why am I so excited to do this? But I'm not doing it yet. So why the needles so small? You can barely see it. They look so big on the app. Well, whatever. Looks is very deceiving. The next on the list is some eyelashes. Hope I put the right ones. Why they look so big? These are big. How me be looking like? Oh God, these look so huge. Is that about the right ones? All right, this I definitely needed this because I'm gonna put it on my skin right here. This, you know, aloe vera gel. It's good for your skin. Aloe vera face serum. Oil control acne, hydrating, moisturizing after sun repair. What else? I'll just put some, you know, stud earrings. You never have enough of these. I keep buying them from Shein. I hope these don't make my ears hurt. Oh, you pull it out. Don't try me. What's this? Oh, this is to clean out my AirPod. You know, once you open your AirPod, dusty. You see? So this is to clean it out. Yeah. And they got the brush. This one is the airport, the suitcase tag. This is it. Not your bag. They had other ones, but because they didn't have the color that I wanted, I just choose this one. The next item is this is how they look. So you know, when we're making cupcakes, they're reusable. So I bought these instead of. I think I have some paper ones to it. It's been a while since I baked anything, but I just bought it just in case. I bought a lock. It's so small, but this is disposable toilet seat cover. I honestly don't sit on the toilet seat in the public or nowhere. Like, I'm not sitting on nobody's toilet seat. Even here, I live with people, and I still have to sanitize the seat before I sit on there. That's just me. I'm very germophobic. Like, don't play with me. But yeah, I do not play with that germs. Think how much comes in there? Just 10. It's 10 that comes in there. See, this is how it looks. This is another nail polish. It's the same price as the other one. So this is 71 cents. Wait a minute. Is it too blue? No. Oh my God. Wait. I saw I had a blue. Oh, there's a brown one right here. Cause I'm like, hold on. Okay, this one is aqua, blue, and brown. All right, cause I'm like, I know I bought a brown one. This, I need these. For somebody who I hate wearing heels. When I do gotta wear it, I feel like these will come in handy for me because my feet shape very funny. So I think I need these silicones stuff. So this is how they look. This is how you're supposed to wear it. So you put it, you know, that's how they look right here. It's 2-piece. The top of my feet be killing me when I be wearing heels. I'm like, let me get these. This now, I think, what I bought this for? This is a macaron. I don't know how to pronounce this, whatever. It's like a pill, it's a case. It's so cute. I was watching somebody else's and I saw it and I'm like, oh, this is nice. So I'm the type of person, while I was watching these videos, I was looking up the stuff. And I'll see if I wanted them, I put it in my cart. Okay, so this is how it looks. And you put the pills inside. Or yeah, it's for, I bought it for pills. But I thought it was bigger. So all of them can't fit in here. The last one, the other day when I went outside, I went to Brownsville? No, it was Bed-Stuy. So out there walking around and until I had to pee, I'm like, I was about to go home. I'm like, nah. Then I would see the train coming. It was like 10 minutes. I cannot hold my pee. So I'm like, damn, man. These are times I wish I could just put my, if I was a man, I was like, I wish I was a man right now because I really want to pee so bad. Because men be having it easy. When they want to pee, they just go to the side of the street and pee. So this I so happened to see this on there. I'm like, whoa, what? I'm buying it. I'm probably not gonna use it because I'm a shy person, but I just buy just in case, you know, that if I really want to use it. I'm like, listen, I'm buying it. I don't care. I never saw this anywhere before, and this is it. Like seriously, anything you need on TEMU, they got it. Now Shein, now on the other hand, it's not everything I search for and I find it on Shein, but TEMU, they be having. Okay, so this is a portable. It's sold out. Well, see, I'm not the only one that bought it, but this how it works. I'm gonna show y'all. All right, this one was a it's like a bangle and a watch set. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.